slides. Now I want to add a video. So I'm going to go to Insert, into Video. I'm going to find a YouTube on butterflies. And so it has a couple, you can preview the video here if you're not sure it's the one that you want, and then select it. And it will put it into the slideshow. Now, a couple options you have appears over here in your formatting box. For example, I don't want this whole 3 minutes and 52 seconds. I just want the last 52 seconds to show. So I'm going to have that video start at 3 when it's played. I also want to autoplay it so that when someone opens the slide in presentation mode, it will just start to play. Now there's a couple other ways to insert a video. For example, if you have your own videos on Loom or from Screencastify, you can click on one of those videos and select it and put it on the page as well. You can kind of make this a collection. Let's see.
You're going to take a screenshot.
Now, the only thing that I need to make sure is every time I insert one of my own videos from a file, that I have shared that link. So this is telling me this video has not been shared. Only I can see it. It's private, which means if my teacher goes to grade this, she will not be able to see it. So I need to click on this link sharing on. So then if you have a peer who is editing this for you or evaluating it or sharing this project with you, or a teacher who needs to grade it, I've shared that video now with everyone involved, and I can space it to fit on my slide. You can also insert images from the Insert Image. It gives you many more options for where to get your pictures, including the camera. So I just need to make sure if a pop-up box pops up here, it says, may we use your camera? Don't click off of that, click Allow, and that allows us to use our camera. And this button, you just click it and insert your picture. I can also insert audio and shapes and charts and word art. To make my project much more interesting than just plugging in the boxes that are pre-made.